Reception? Yeah. Oh no, that's Laura. That's Laura. She covered for me. Laura. I don't know. No. Yeah. Well, when you're calling nonstop, it's kind of. Because I didn't have my phone on me, I left it up here. Because it's not on vibrate, it's loud. Because it's not on vibrate, it's on music. Okay, I gotta let you go. Hi.
This ended up nicely.
Yes, it's nice.
I'm looking for Ken.
Ken? Okay, who should I say is here to see him?
Brad from B.
Okay. Good morning, Storm Tide.